some clouds, even had a couple of showers and or thunderstorms. We're going to show you the radar here in a minute, but if you notice, the sunset again tonight had a little bit of an orange hue to it, and the reason for that is we still have some smoke and haze coming in from the Canadian wildfires. And what's going to happen here over the next roughly 24 hours is we're going to have a wind shift. The winds are going to shift more to the south and west, or the south, maybe southeast. Regardless, we're not going to have a northerly component to the wind anymore, and that should allow us to get rid of any smoke and haze that we've been dealing with here for the last couple of days. But for now, the air quality in Roanoke, at least, is code yellow, which is the moderate category. Every area surrounding the Roanoke Valley is in code green, which is good. So right now, the only area that is dealing with air quality that is not in green is the Roanoke Valley, where you're in yellow. And as we look at the smoke forecast here for the next 24 hours or so, you'll notice that the grays that are overhead, the yellows to the north of us, they start to go away. And what that means for us is less and less smoke likely as we go over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours. I don't think we're going to be smoke-free per se, but I think we're going to have less smoke than what we've been seeing here over the last couple of days or so. You'll notice that there's still a little bit of gray overhead, an indicator that we may still have a little bit of smoke and or haze. But the other thing we're going to be contending with that may also help wipe away some of the smoke / haze will be a better chance for some rain. That's right. As we go into tomorrow, we're actually going to have a better chance for some hit or miss scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here at 10:01, you'll notice that we are seeing a couple of showers, say, towards Giles County, maybe one or two up into areas north of Highland County, but the majority of the showers and thunderstorms have been confined into West Virginia. We've had quite a bit of rain extending from near Beckley through Lewisburg and points north, where they have been dealing with some flooding issues in southern and central portions of West Virginia. Numerous flash flood warnings throughout the course of this evening towards the Mountaineer State, but for us, not much happening. Today was a day where we were partly to at times mostly sunny, had some haze around, had a couple of showers and or thunderstorms around too, but for the most part right now, outside of a couple of showers in Giles County and also in areas just south of Galax, we are for the most part pretty dry. Futurecast shows that as we go into tonight, skies are likely going to be partly cloudy and we're going to have some fog developing. Okay, so be careful heading out and about tomorrow morning. Okay, the fog could be locally dense in some areas. I don't think the fog is going to be everywhere, but there will be some fog around here developing after midnight tonight. Fog burns away tomorrow morning. We are going to, I think, start to see some sunshine then once that fog burns away, and then right around lunchtime, 12, 1 o'clock, we're going to start to see these pop-up showers and thunderstorms developing. They will become a little bit more widespread as the afternoon wears on. We're certainly going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms, 3, 4, 5, 6 p.m. And then as we look at tomorrow night, the general trend will be for us to continue to have some periods of rain. Okay, they're going to come in periodically. It's not going to rain all night long Friday night, but the evening hours will certainly have some passing showers and a few thunderstorms around, and then I do think that we may actually start to dry things out late Friday night. So tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Then late tomorrow night, the chance for rain will start to go away. Saturday will start out partly to mostly cloudy with only a couple of showers possible. As we go into Saturday afternoon, may have a slightly better chance for a few thunder showers developing. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly, if the coverage area on Saturday is a little bit more than what we're seeing here on this one particular computer model. But again, Saturday may actually turn out to be the drier of the 2 weekend days. I still think we're going to have some isolated showers and thunderstorms Saturday afternoon, potentially lasting into Saturday evening. But I'm thinking that we're going to have a better chance for rain and thunderstorms by Sunday. Okay, so it's not a washout this weekend, but if you need to pick a day to be outside, Saturday might be a little bit better than Sunday, even though Saturday is not going to be perfect. I think Sunday will have a higher coverage area of showers and thunderstorms. And as we look at the rainfall forecast for the next 5 days, you'll notice that we're going to pick up anywhere from about a ½ inch to 2 inches of rain. There will be certainly more rain. We're in green here locally. Look at the yellow going on in West Virginia over towards Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama. Those areas in yellow could actually see 3, 4, 5, potentially 6 inches of rain. And that's, again, over the next 5 days. So while we're going to see ½ inch to 1.5 inches, ½ inch to maybe 2 inches Again, that's going to be spread over 5 days. Portions of West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, the Deep South going to certainly have more rain, more thunderstorms than what we're going to be dealing with here locally. As far as the severe weather threat is concerned, tomorrow we are in green. Okay, most of us are in that green color. That's an indicator of a level 1 risk or marginal risk for severe weather. The chance for severe weather tomorrow is higher in yellow. That includes areas, say, towards Boston, Massachusetts, and also into areas, say, towards Lexington, Louisville, Nashville, Memphis, Little Rock, areas near Atlanta. So I think that those areas in yellow will probably have a better chance for severe weather tomorrow than what we're going to be seeing here locally. And while the coverage area of the showers and the thunderstorms tomorrow, it's not going to be terribly widespread. We're thinking at this point they're going to be scattered. Any storm that forms could contain heavy rain, thunder, and lightning, and maybe even some gusty wind. So bear that in mind come tomorrow afternoon, especially during the heating of the day. And then on Saturday, that threat for stronger thunderstorms moves a little bit further east. Notice that the areas in yellow move towards the Carolinas, also includes Atlanta, Nashville, Birmingham, Memphis. So some of the same areas that are in a slight risk or level 2 risk for severe weather come tomorrow, also in that area as we go into Saturday. Now here locally, most of us, again on Saturday, still in that green color, a level 1 risk or marginal risk for severe weather. But as you get closer to that North Carolina border, notice that little ribbon of yellow showing up as you get closer to the border with North Carolina. Southern parts of the NRV, southern parts of South Side, may be in that level 2 risk for severe weather come Saturday. So it looks like right now, if we are to pinpoint an area that has the best chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms on Saturday, that area would be the closer you get to the North Carolina border. So areas south of 460, southern parts of the NRV, southern parts of Southside. That does include Martinsville, Danville, also South Boston. Again, that's the severe weather risk for Saturday. We actually have a slightly better risk for some strong to severe thunderstorms come Sunday, simply because of the fact on Saturday, I don't think the coverage area is that large. I think on Sunday, the coverage area of any rain and thunderstorms will be a little bit larger than what we're going to have out there on Saturday. It's 10:07 right now, and it's 65 in Hot Springs, but still 73 in Roanoke, 73 Lynchburg, also Danville and South Boston. Lower 70s Blacksburg, but you're in the middle 60s, Wytheville, Pulaski, Independence, and also into Hillsville and Galax. And as we go zone by zone for Friday, we're looking at highs to close out the work week, about 82 in the NRV, 84 in Covington, Clifton Forge, also in Lexington, 87 in Roanoke, also in Lynchburg, near 90 come tomorrow out across Southside. So tomorrow is very, very warm, and it's also going to be very, very humid outside. You're going to notice stepping outside that the muggies are here. It's air that you wear, no doubt, for us on Friday, really even as we head into this weekend. For tonight, your low is 63. Fog may form or mild. I think skies for the most part will be partly cloudy. And then for the day tomorrow, partly sunny, humid, pretty hot. We're going to have that chance for some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms developing from about noon or 1 o'clock on. So the morning hours tomorrow look to be pretty dry. I think better chances for rain and thunderstorms will push in after lunchtime Friday. Saturday, hit or miss showers and thunderstorms continue. Sunday, I think the chance for rain is a little bit higher. The numbers are exactly the same on Saturday and Sunday, but I may go in and change that for the 11. I'm thinking that the chance for rain on Saturday may be 40 to 50%, on Sunday 60 to 70%. So I'm thinking, again, Sunday looks to be right now the potentially wetter of the 2 weekend days. And then we're still on the unsettled side as we go into Monday and also as we go into Tuesday of next week. So notice that from Friday through Tuesday, going to be an unsettled weather pattern. Each and every day we're going to have some showers and thunderstorms to dodge, with potentially Sunday and Tuesday being the wettest out of those 5 days. Wednesday looks to be pretty dry at this point, with maybe a few thunder showers returning 1 week from today. Notice also temperatures for the next 7 days anywhere between 80 and 87, so we're going to stay in a pretty warm and humid pattern for the foreseeable future. Kind of makes sense now that we are in the month of June. Of course, we'll be back here for your 11 o'clock newscast in about 50 minutes from now. We do hope to see you then, but if we don't, I do hope everybody has a great night, and we'll see you again real soon.